This is section 11.7, and if this takes me more than 4 minutes, then I'm way too long-winded. So this is going to be the shortest video that we have. The main reason that it's going to be short is because we're basically skipping the surface area of a cone, and we are only going to talk about the volume of a cone. Okay? Now a cone is something that has a circle on the bottom, and it has a triangle on the top. Alright? The way that we're going to deal with this is specifically with this formula. Volume equals 1/3 times pi r squared h. R is the radius, h is the height. It actually has a really nice worked out example for you. It tells you to use pi as 3.14, so that's where that number is coming from. I've used pi in every other one of my answers. So they even worked this problem through for you. So it's 1/3, the pi is 3.14, the radius is 3 squared times 9 is the height, and we're done. Okay? So let's work out an example together like this. You can see how it works. After we get done, you could probably fly through this worksheet in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay? So the volume is equal to 1/3 times pi, which we could use 3.14 or we can use pi. It doesn't make a difference. I prefer to use pi. The worksheet decided to use this. Times 4 squared times the height, which is 10. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply this whole thing out together. I'm going to get my calculator out. I'm going to multiply this with you. So I'm going to do 1/3 times pi times 4 squared times 10, and when I do all of that, I end up getting 167.6. Somewhere around 167.6 or 167.5. Either one of those would be totally okay for you. Okay? So either one are great. Now, there are 6 questions on this. I did one of them for you, so you've only got a couple left. Look at that, it took me less than 2 minutes. If you have questions on this, let me know. Hopefully this was really quick and really easy. That's what it was meant to be. So, I will see you next time for your very last ever section of geometry.